Hi everyone, I got a 2-in-1 food preparation system. This is the food vacuum sealing system by FoodSaver. You're going to like this one, it's really nice. So let's get to the open boxing and the review. Hi everyone, Captain Mark here. Today I have the FoodSaver vacuum sealing system. This is the 2-in-1 and it's the FM5200 series. So let's take a look at the box and see what it says about it. It has retractable handheld sealer, ideal for leftovers and snacks. It has the express bag maker, the vacuum view window, a one-touch vacuum and seal bar, convenient open and roll storage, and it has the rapid marinade mode. And it also has a 5-year limited warranty on it, so that's really nice. So let's open it up and see what's inside. Cut it open here. I've wanted one of these, a bigger one. Okay, first thing we see is to watch their video to see how it works. So it's kind of an entry thing with the code on it. Here we have the 5200 series quick start guide. So it's nice, step by step. It says how to install the roll and how to make a bag. That'll be helpful. What's on the back side? Oh, how to vacuum and seal a bag and retractable handheld sealers. Okay, let's open up this. It looks like I have rolls and bags in here. And the first thing we pull out is the 11-inch by 10-foot bag. Next, we have two 1-gallon zipper bags. 3 1-quart zipper bags. Wow, they got a lot of stuff. Great starter kit. And we have 2 1-gallon seal bags. They're sealed on one end. And 3 1-quart sealed bags. Okay, and we have the warranty card for the FoodSaver sealer. And we have the FoodSaver owner's manual. Wow, this is a really nice, sleek design to it. I love the silver and black. It's plastic, and the keys, they're very nice. They're ergonomic, so easy to touch. Okay, let's take the cardboard out and the tape off to see what we got and see how this works. Okay, now I want to show you how easy it is to insert the roll in the machine. We pull the bottom door down. That gives us access to the roll. We insert the roll into the right side of the machine, into the groove that's back there, the slot, and we pull the plastic bag forward until you hit the white line there. And we simply close up the door and make sure it's sealed tight and hit the lever, push down on it. And this instantly creates a seal, you can see there. Very simple to do, only takes a second. We unlock the door and we can reach our hand underneath the door and pull it out. And you can see here how the seal is made at the very end of the plastic. Nice heavy-duty seal. And we hit the lever just above it and you can see it cuts the bag so nice and clean. I love this feature, a built-in bag cutter. Alrighty, I got it plugged in and the power's on, you see. I got the vacuum sealer ready to go. I got the bag slightly pulled out. We're going to get in and start vacuuming and sealing up some food. So here we go. Okay, here we have a couple pre-made hamburger patties I made up. And you take our bag and you pull it slightly over top of the product that you want to seal. You make sure you get the right measurement. Then you push down on the lever bar for the sealing bar. You push that down and it starts making a seal for the next bag you use, because I already have a seal on the other end, and you use the cutter to make a nice clean cut that you measured out. All right, so now we take the hamburger patties and we place them inside the pre-made bag. And we're going to slide this into the opening up top and the plastic door. Okay, so we insert the plastic bag into the slot. There's an alignment bar there. You can see you push both sides of the seal bar. Closes the door on it. Vacuuming the air out of the bag. There it is, pops it out, seals it up, and there we go. Nice solid seal. A lot of power with this machine. Okay, some of the other things I want to try sealing up. If you wanted to take a salad to work, you could use a larger bag. This is one of the gallon bags, and I have a salad here that I'm going to take out and say in your lunch pail or something. So you can just empty it out into the bag like this. Now these bags are nice. These are FoodSaver bags, but what's really nice trick about them is they have a double seal on them. And this time we're going to be using the retractable handheld vacuum sealer accessory. And we align it up with the circle on the bag and we push the accessory button and the door closes and it instantly starts pulling out the air out of the bag. Here we go. You don't have to push too hard down it. I don't want to go too deep in a vacuum because I don't want to smash all my fruits and vegetables. But there we are. Pull back on the hose and it goes right back in the contracts inside. That's a really nice feature. Yeah, the salad's all wrapped up, air's taken out. Take it on your lunch or keep it stored, keep it fresh. Alright, I'd like to show you now how you can preserve your sandwich for lunch or work. We slide it into one of our pre-made Ziploc storage bags. The key thing is here to make sure you get a good seal, of course. I like to run my finger across the zipper part 2 times to make sure it's a good seal. And we're going to reach over and grab the retractable handheld accessory vacuum sealer and we push the accessory button. The door closes. Just lightly touch it and it'll start sucking the air out. You don't have to push hard on this. And there you go. Pull it out, pull it, draws back in, and there's my sandwich all preserved for work. No air in there. That sandwich will stay like that for a long time. Okay, one last thing I want to show you that this food vacuum saver can do. You can also do marinade, and I have a marinating dish. It basically has a silicone seal all around it to keep the air locked in. So you line it up. You have a double tab there. You line it up. We're going to pull out the handle, the canister off the little handle, and so you just have a little tab on the bottom. You push down in to the hole like that. You hit marinade and you can listen to it. The little door will close as it goes into a deep vacuum. And we just lightly turn it to storage and hit cancel and pull this out. And there we have. We have a heavy-duty vacuum in here, and it's, I'll show you what I mean when we open it up. Turn the canister to open, and you can listen to it. Hear the air getting sucked back in. So this thing went into a deep vacuum. So what a great tool this is. A multi-purpose tool, and you simply slide it back on, gently push it on the seal, and you hear it click. Pull the hose. Let it retract back in. So nice. Such a great device. So that's my review on the FoodSaver 2-in-1 vacuum sealer system with the starter kit. The kit includes multiple reusable bags, and it has one large roll, which is 10 by 11, which you can use with the Express Bag Maker. A great little feature to this. You can seal your bags before you even go to your next project. It comes in silver and black. I purchased this on Amazon
for $199.99. And I'm going to be giving this a Captain Mark's 5-star review. This is a great product, did everything it said it was going to do, and I found some other neat little things I could do with this. So if you think the information was useful in helping you purchase this product or any of the other products on my channel, why don't you give me that big thumbs up? And if you haven't yet, hit the subscribe button down below. And don't forget the bell to the right, because I have more upcoming videos and you don't want to miss out. So this is Captain Mark saying, always thank you for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video.